Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a two-way slab design using LRFD method based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete two-way slab using load and resistance factor design for commercial use with clear span of 6,000 mm by 4,500 mm and assumed thickness of 130 mm. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 35 MPa, main bars 10 mm bar grade 414, case number 6 for panel design. The uniform load for 130 mm thick slab is 3.12 kN per meter. A commercial live load is 4.79 kN per meter. Other dead load like floor finish and partition is 1.92 kN per meter for a factored load of 13.712 kN per meter. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S12, case 6 panel design, longer span 6,000 mm, shorter span 4,500 mm, slab thickness 130 mm, main bars 10 mm bar at grade 414, strength of concrete 35 MPa, and factored load 13.712 kPa. Use case 6 at m equals 0.75. Refer coefficients for negative moments and shear computations. Use case 6 at m equals 0.75. Refer coefficients for dead load and live load positive moments. Moments at short direction. Negative moment at continuous edge is 24.435 kN/meter. Positive moment at midspan is 14.414 kN/meter. Negative moment at discontinuous edge is 4.805 kN/meter. Moments at long direction. Positive moment at midspan is 7.027 kN/meter. Negative moment at discontinuous edge is 2.342 kN/meter. Given short direction, continuous edge moment equals 24.435 kN/meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 105 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 2.463 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00622. Given short direction, midspan moment equals 14.414 kN/meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 105 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 1.453 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.0036. Given short direction, discontinuous edge moment equals 4.805 kN/meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 105 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.484 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00118. Use Rho minimum of 0.00357. Given long direction, midspan moment equals 7.027 kN/meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 105 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.708 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00173. Use Rho minimum of 0.00357. Given long direction, discontinuous edge moment equals 2.342 kN/meter, resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 105 mm. The beam design ratio Rn equals 0.236 MPa, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00057. Use Rho minimum of 0.00357. At short direction, given continuous edge rho equals 0.00622, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 105 millimeters, the area of steel is 653.1 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 120 millimeters. Given midspan rho equals 0.0036, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 105 millimeters, the area of steel is 378 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 205 millimeters. Given discontinuous edge rho equals 0.00357, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 105 millimeters, the area of steel is 374.85 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 205 millimeters. At long direction, given midspan and discontinuous edge rho equals 0.00357, B equals 1000 millimeters, and D equals 105 millimeters, the area of steel for both sections is 374.85 square millimeters, and the spacing for 10 millimeter bar is 205 millimeters. At short direction, the shear force from dead load is 9.979 kN, and live load is 9.484 kN, for a factored shear force of 27.149 kN. At long direction, the shear force from dead load is 1.814 kN, and live load is 1.724 kN, for a factored shear force of 4.935 kN. The nominal shear force is 36.199 kN, less than 105.602 kN concrete capacity. Design recommendation as follows: Fc prime equals 35 megapascal, Fy equals 414 megapascal. Panel dimension is 6000 mm by 4500 mm. Thickness is 130 mm. Short direction bars of grade 414. Top bars 1125 mm at continuous edge. 10 mm bar at 120 mm on center. Top bars 1125 mm at discontinuous edge. 10 mm bar at 205 mm on center. Bottom bars 10 mm bar at 205 mm on center. Long direction bars of grade 414. Top bars 1500 mm at discontinuous edge. 10 mm bar at 205 mm on center. Bottom bars 10 mm bar at 205 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.